It is very easy to get an infection from applying makeup on a customer or on yourself. Could be the product or the brushes, I don't know, but here are a few ways to keep your brushes clean and yeah, to prevent further spread of that infection. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Felicia. Thank you so much for tuning in with me today. Today I just want to show us how to clean these brushes, and if you want to see your brushes go from this to this, stay tuned. So here are a few brushes that I use throughout the week. I use them for cream products and eyeshadows and really pigmented eyeshadows. You can see the blue and the green. So we just want to get all that makeup and product out of there. So I like to use Dettol antibacterial soap just to get all these germs, the bacteria and whatever germs are in your brushes. This is a mild soap. I like the fact that it's mild and gentle on the skin. I love using this to wash my brushes. You can just use a mild soap if you're washing your client's brushes. Need some clean water, and yeah, it's just easy. Just dump your brush with water, then rub it gently on the soap, just to pick a little soap, not too much, just picking a little, and use your finger to spread that out. Spread the soap out so that the brush is cleaned evenly, and yeah, it's a very quick process. So for the bigger brushes, it's almost the same thing, just that there's much more product stuck in between those hairs. So you just want to rub it gently against the soap and keep squeezing it so that that soapy water is out. It also cleans in between the hairs. Don't forget to rinse and keep using more soap, rinse like that until it's clean. So the small angled brushes that I use mainly for eyeliner or filling my brows, I just wash them gently because the hairs are so packed together. It's quite hard to wash these ones, but all you need is a little soap and yeah, quite an amount of time just to get all that product out, since stuff like eyeliner is gel and yeah, so is brow product. So just use a little soap, pass your fingers through it. It will leave some product on your fingernails, but yeah, it's not hard to remove. So the beauty blenders are the easiest tool to clean. All you need is a little soap in the palm of your hands. Make sure the beauty blender is damp, just so that the water and the soap can make that foam that gets all that dirt and the product out of the sponge, and in the end the brush looks as good as new. So it's best to air dry the brushes. Just lay a towel flat on any flat surface, a face towel or any other small towel. Just lay it flat and let the brushes also lay flat, just so that the water from the bristles, from the hairs, doesn't go back into the wooden brush handle, and that could cause some rotting in there. So just let the air dry them. If you need your brushes the next day, I suggest washing them the night before, and make sure the brushes are not like dripping wet. Just press the brush gently on the towel, and you can use your two fingers just to get that extra water out. So next up, I just want to show us how to disinfect our brushes, and it's best to use 70% isopropyl alcohol. We've had this in the house for a while, but I believe it's sold on Disposable. The time I checked, it was about 12,000 for 60 mils, but I don't know how much it is. Let's check. So this is quite a good deal. 32 ounces, that's about 900 mils around there, and that's almost 1 liter, so that's a good deal. 31,000, 32,000, that's a good deal. So everyone asks why people use the 70% alcohol. I'm not a scientist, but I did read an article from the CDC where they explain this. I'm going to leave that link in the description box just so that you can do and get some more info about it. Next up, I want to show you a few ways how you can clean your brushes in between clients. You can have a wedding party of about 5 people and you have to do their makeup. You may not necessarily carry 5 sets of brushes, but you can clean the same brushes that you're using in between clients. So I have this spray bottle that had some hair product, I don't remember, but I just cleaned it out and put my isopropyl alcohol in there. Yeah, you can reuse and recycle.
Okay.
So with the spray bottle, you need some tissue paper or a clean towel. So you can either use a kitchen towel or a paper napkin. So then you're going to spray some of that alcohol into your brush. Don't drench it, you're just spraying a little just to get that product out, just a little product, and to also disinfect the brush. Then blot the brush or rub it just gently on the tissue paper so that the brushes get clean and are disinfected. You can't use this method to clean your beauty blenders. No, you can't spray or what, no. The best way to clean your beauty blender is to wash it, as shown previously. If you have maybe some water or soap, yeah, you can wash the beauty blender, that's fine. Still, if you're working on so many clients, I would advise you to buy as many beauty blenders as possible. Go with about 6, an extra one just in case, and yeah, you can get these at Gazaland for 5,000 shillings. On to disinfecting makeup, we're going to disinfect this eyeshadow palette right here. Again, we are going to use the spray bottle that has the isopropyl alcohol in it, and all you have to do is just spray a good amount, not so much, but just enough. Just spray that all over the palette and let it air dry as well. Again, since it's an alcoholic solution, it will dry up really fast. To disinfect a lipstick, all you need is a small container or small cup where you can pour some isopropyl alcohol. Then you dip the exposed part of the lipstick into the alcohol. Don't forget to wash the cover as well, the lipstick cover. You can use a cotton swab and just clean the inside as well. And using a clean tissue paper, you just remove that excess alcohol. I haven't found the easiest way to disinfect mascara, but I do know a way of how you can avoid using that one brush on so many clients. We don't want the spread of pink eye or any other eye infections. So the best way is to get these disposable mascara ones. I got these from Kiku. They come in a pack of 50 or 100, really the choice is yours. So if you're using one bottle of mascara for your clients, you just use these ones to dip, get as much product as you need, use it on the client, then dispose of the brush. Use the brush once, dip it in once, use it on your client. Now do not put it back into the mascara bottle. That's a no. Do not put back that same one that you've used on your client. Get another one, get the product that you need and use it on your client. Do not double dip. Please do not double dip. We're really trying to prevent eye infections and all those other things. Do not double dip your mascara ones. Please do not double dip. Don't. The same thing applies to things like lipstick or like liquid lipstick or lip gloss. They're also disposable lip gloss ones. You can also get those on Kiku or Jumia. Again, do not dip the lip gloss ones or liquid lipstick ones into the product. So cleaning stuff like eye pencils or brow pencils that you're using, I think the best way is to just sharpen them. Then you can remove product off the sharpener and clean it again with some isopropyl alcohol. So yeah guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you learned something new. Please share this video with friends and family. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and let me know what you think. In case you have any questions, please comment down below and I will get back to you. Thank you so much for watching and have a blessed day.